Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be my summer nighttime routine. Just wanted to show you what I've been doing, products I've been using, and just kind of our nightly routine around here. So yeah, same old same, let's get into it. So I've been tending to my garden in the evenings. I don't know if that's like proper for them. I've heard all sorts of different things about how you want to send them to bed wet or you don't want to send them to bed wet. I don't really know. But this has just been what's been working for my plants and for me, and this is just kind of like the start of our wind down routine. About like 5:30 or 6 or so, I go out there, also once like it's cooled off because it's been really sunny and hot, and I just water the plants, check in on everything, see how everything's doing, and just take a moment to enjoy outside even though it's so freaking hot. Then I head back inside to set the mood in there, and of course that starts with essential oils. So I'm going to diffuse my new favorite combo for the evening, which is grapefruit and rosemary. You guys know I normally love grapefruit and pine, but I've been like obsessed with diffusing rosemary. It's not something I would have thought I would have liked to diffuse. I do love the smell of rosemary, but kind of caught me off guard, but I love this combo together. It's very like relaxing and peaceful and just perfect for the evening time. Then it's time to feed Ludo his dinner, so I just filled up his bowl. I do have this pumpkin soup puree. It's like a dog meal topper, and he loves it. He doesn't get this every single time, but he definitely loves it. So I put some of that on top, and I just mix it in. He's still a puppy, so we like to wet his food with something, and this seems to work. We like chicken broth as well, or just water. But yeah, I'm just mixing that in, and I can link this bowl below. It was only $5, and it's from Target, and I love it. And yeah, I just gave little Ludi his food. Then it was time to prepare the people dinner. So Bradley was out golfing this day. That's something he's been doing in these times, something that's socially distant from other people, but he can still get out and enjoy the outdoors. So he was golfing today, so I was in charge of dinner, which means it's a it's a freezer meal tonight. So I am making our favorite Trader Joe's like orange chicken type stuff and some white rice. So I just put in some white rice, and then I'm going to put some water through it a couple times just to get out all of the starch, and then put it into our rice cooker. At about this time was when Bradley came home, and when he's been gone all day, Ludo just acts like he hasn't seen him in weeks, and it's really, really sweet and cute, so I thought I'd share. So this is what the chicken looks like. It's called Tempura Chicken. It's like a sweet and sour sauce. If you've ever had the tangerine chicken from P.F. Chang's, it tastes just like that, and it's so good. And it's like $4 for this huge bag, something like that. It's great. So, and it tastes just as good as takeout. So you just place the chicken on a baking sheet, you thaw the sauce, and I'm just putting that in the oven. And then when it's all prepared and done, this is what it looks like. It's so good. I wish I had some of it right now. So yeah, we just sat and ate that and enjoyed dinner. Then after dinner, I got ready for bed, of course. I'm starting by taking out my earrings. I was actually washing my hair this night, which I feel like I don't show you guys that often. So it's like, let's just show them. So this is the Amica The Cure Intense Repair Mask. I have 2 Amica masks. I like them both. I just kind of alternate between the 2 of them. And I just put the mask from like my ears down. I run whatever's left like up through my scalp, but then I put that up in a bun to sit for about maybe 10 minutes, not that long. And then I also did a little bit of skincare. I used my Pacifica dry brush for my face. I can, of course, link everything down below. But this is just supposed to get off any dead skin cells and create circulation of your blood. I'm not really even sure. I just like using it. Then I'm using the teeny tiny sample of Mask of Magnum Tea that I got in my latest Lush order, which I will link the haul up in the corner. It was in my latest vlog. I really enjoyed this, but it was either this or the sample of ocean salt they sent me, but I had a rash all over my face and I'm so sad. But I did enjoy this and I've heard such good things about it. I'm kind of willing to like maybe try it again to see if this was what gave me the rash. But I did enjoy using it. I know a lot of you guys love it, but it's not the easiest thing to put on, but I liked the green color. But then I got into the shower after 10 minutes, washed my face off with the simple kind of skin moisturizing facial wash. Then I washed my hair with, this is the Matrix Scalp Sync Anti-Dandruff shampoo. I love this stuff. It's very like creamy and it smells incredible and it works great for my dry scalp. And then my new favorite conditioner is from Young Living actually. It's their Copaiba Vanilla Conditioner. Smells like vanilla frosting, but it is so moisturizing and doesn't weigh down my hair and it's all natural, so I love it. Then after that, I just am letting my hair just kind of do its thing for a second while I go in with my natural facial cleansing pads from Trader Joe's. They have tea tree oil all over them. They're the best and they just help keep my skin clear. You can feel them tingle. And if you have any like leftover makeup or dirt or anything, it gets it off. Then I'm going in with my homemade toner. This is just basically witch hazel water, rose oil, grapefruit oil, and tea tree because my skin loves tea tree. So I'm just spraying that all over and then I'm using my detangle spray. And I'm sorry, like I said, if I'm running through things fast, everything will be linked down below. And I'm using my Tangle Teaser, of course, to brush out my hair. And I always wash my hair at night and I kind of just let it do its thing over, like dry overnight. And it also kind of keeps me cool overnight because it's been so hot. I know that's kind of weird, but then I'm going in with my Glam Glow Thirsty Mud Hydrating Mask. Then I put that on when I am doing my 4-0 activated mask treatment, just as like an extra boost of moisture. So this is the UFO 2. I love this thing. It's like a heated, vibrating thing that you put these little activated masks on. It works kind of like a small circle of a sheet mask, and then this device kind of helps it penetrate, sorry to use the word penetrate, but into your skin better. And I am just totally obsessed with it. If you've been watching my channel lately, you already know that, but I did the Glow Addict treatment today, and so I'm just getting that into my skin. I love doing this so much, and it only takes 90 seconds, and it's another great way to wind down. So yeah. Then I went in with the Fresh Rose Petal Soft Lip Cream. I needed something for my lips. You guys know I've been obsessed with this. It reminds me of my Dior Creme de Rose lip balm, but it's a little bit cheaper, but it's still not like the cheapest thing. But I have really been enjoying it. The smell is just completely delightful. So I use that pretty much every night. Going in, of course, with my Trader Joe's Supreme Hydrating Eye Cream. If you guys missed it, I just recently did an all Trader Joe's pamper routine. Only Trader Joe's beauty products. I will link that up in the corner. It was super fun and I did find some gems, but this one is one of my favorite staples from the Trader Joe's beauty aisle. So I'm just putting that all around my eyes, and then I'm going in with the Avalon Organics Vitamin C Renewal Cream. I do add a couple of drops of frankincense oil to this. And you guys know my drill. I do this every other night, and then the nights in between I use just a face oil, usually the rose oil from Pixie, and I'm happy with the results from that. So I just put that all over. It smells really good. Then I'm adding a little bit of BioSilk Silk Therapy Original Oil to my hair. Everybody's hair is different. I know a lot of you are probably like, oil in your hair while it's wet, but it just kind of helps the frizz not arrive in the morning, if that makes sense. So I just kind of put that all over. Then I go into the bedroom to set the mood there. Not even set the mood. I have been pretty adamant about sleeping with the diffuser on because I truly see a difference in how long I can stay asleep while my diffuser's on. If I forget or I'm like too lazy to set it up, I wake up in the middle of the night. So I've been doing a combo of Stress Away and Lavender and my Desert Mist. This one is the best for overnight because it has a long 10-hour setting. And until I'm ready to go to bed, I just like to leave it on the purple setting because it's nice and relaxing. And it just, it makes me happy. It smells great. And it truly is helping me sleep according to my studies, my research. But then I just get in bed. I have been also religiously every night rolling on my Calm CBD oil. I do it behind my ears, my forearms, and up and down my spine. Somebody told me to do that. It's kind of awkward to do it on yourself, but it's not that bad. And I think this helps me fall asleep as well, and it also just smells really good. And then I take Peace and Calming and I just put a little bit right under my nose. I find the smell to just be amazing and it helps me fall asleep, so I like to put it right there. And as I was filming, Bradley brought me some ice cream, so I had a few bites of his ice cream cone. I'm sorry, I don't know why it's so funny to me. And then Ludo jumped up. It was a mess, but hey, this is real life. But yeah, Ludi joined me. He wanted to say hi. Took off his necklace, as we call it, his collar. But we take that off at night. Just, I don't know. I feel like he likes it. And this is the real struggle of me trying to put on lotion these days. He loves my First Aid Beauty lotion. He wants to lick every inch of it off me, so that was the real struggle. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick look into our summer nighttime routine. I'll be back soon-ish with fall, morning, and night routines, and I'm so excited, so stay tuned for that. Be sure you're subscribed, and if you would, please thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. It helps out my channel, but I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.